Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to share my TikTok profile on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, open TikTok. Tap onto profile icon. After that, click on share profile. Share profile again. Select messenger option, and if you want to chat or your story, now I'm selecting chat. So now you can easily send your TikTok link from Facebook Messenger specific person. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily share my TikTok profile on Facebook Messenger. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial reviewer channel for more video.